everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe.
So let's start with today's recipe. Now all the ingredients with their measurements have been listed in my description box below, so you can go and check them out. So this is some yeast, this is some sugar to activate the yeast, and this is some lukewarm milk. You don't want your milk to be very cold or you don't want your milk to be very hot. Then there is some butter. So now we're going to activate the yeast. So for that, to my lukewarm milk, I'm going to be adding in the sugar and I'm going to stir the sugar very, very well. And then we're going to add our yeast and again give it a very light stir. If your milk is very hot, then the yeast will not get activated at all. So after some time, you will see that your yeast has doubled up in size. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to take my all-purpose flour or maida. To that, I'm going to add some salt to taste. Give the salt and the maida a good mix. Now we're going to add our butter, which is at room temperature preferably. And we're going to mix the butter and the flour very, very well together. Now, once the flour and the butter are very well mixed together, we are also going to add our yeast mixture. And after adding the yeast mixture, we're going to get a soft dough like this. So just knead the dough. You might get a very sticky dough. It's very normal, but just keep kneading the dough. Then just on a very clean surface, after you applied a little, just dusted a little bit of dry flour, just knead it very, very well. It should become very, very soft. So knead it for about half a minute and then just apply some oil to your bowl and again keep the dough into it. You can see that the dough is nice and soft. And then we're just going to put a dry kitchen napkin on top of it and leave it for at least an hour. Now after an hour, you will see that it has doubled in size. So just punch it down with your hands. Again, take it out on your surface and again knead it well. This kneading process will really make your paos rise up, and plus they will be very soft and really, really just perfect. Then divide them into the number of paos that you want. Now I'm just making, one ladi or 6 paos. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to take each of them and roll them till they are nice and smooth. They should not have any lines on them. Just keep rolling them till they are very nice and smooth. And then place them on a buttered baking pan. And again cover them for about 45 minutes till they completely rise. They will look like this. Now your oven is preheated. So now you can just brush them lightly with some egg. You can use a whole egg or you can even use milk if you want to keep this recipe completely veg. And then just brush them nicely. That will give it its lovely golden color. And after you've brushed them, just put them in the oven and bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes. Every oven is different, so you need to keep an eye on your pav. So bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And once your pavs are ready, just brush them with some butter and put them in a dry kitchen napkin or kitchen cloth for about 10 to 15 minutes. That will make them nice and soft. And after 10 to 15 minutes, your pavs are all ready to enjoy. So they've come out perfect. The aroma in my home is just beautiful. I started with just making one ladhi or 6 pavs, and then my family liked it so much that I went ahead and made another ladhi. If you're just starting off, then it's better to make just one ladhi or 6 pavs. And the pavs were just amazing, really soft and lovely and spongy. And just apply a little bit of butter and have it with a nice hot cup of tea. I have many other baking recipes. I also have a recipe for focaccia bread. I'll leave all of that in the description box below. You can go and check them out. So to all of you who requested for this recipe, I hope you all will try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how your pavs turned out. Thank you so much for watching.
So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshada's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshada's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshada saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.